Alright guys, I'm gonna make a separate video for you guys here. Mod the Fame Fest, that was great. That was a great turnout, great event. But something did go wrong, and that is the car. The car's broken. Nonetheless, the car's broken. What went wrong? My South Bend Stage 2 endurance clutch took a crap. It's done. I can't get into any gear, and I'm currently waiting for a tow truck. Now the issue is, I didn't know the clutch was going, and it didn't give me any warning signs that the clutch was going. But you know, I literally did I called some people up, I confirmed it. It's definitely the clutch that went wrong. Didn't have any weird signs in the beginning of it, of this clutch going out. But yeah, the clutch is pretty done. What are my options? Well, I've been reaching out to a company called DKM Clutches. I've been reaching out to them non-stop for about a month now, just because I saw their MS clutch and the twin disc 660 or 650 pound-feet of torque, something of that nature, but they make it for this car, and I think that'll be a better setup than what I currently have in here for a number of different reasons. One, the reliability and durability. It holds just as much torque, almost twice the amount of torque as this car. This can only hold up, the South Bend Stage 2 Endurance is only good for about 450 450 crank torque. The wheel torque on this car is 385 on a hot day. So I kind of know we're hitting that threshold of the limitations of this clutch. And I think that's what happened today. Launching the car, you have to slip the clutch out, which I did. And then when I was at the drag strip, was able to get it off the line. Off the line was great. Bam, second, great. Boom, couldn't get in the third. Just had a real issue getting in the third. Clutch out, clutch back in the third. We're back in third. Try to grab fourth, couldn't grab fourth. Then on the way back, the return trip to get the ticket to slip, wouldn't go in any gear. So pretty much, I'm pretty shot. But this is where I need you guys to help me. Now, I've reached out to DKM. I haven't gotten any word back from them. I'm sure they're pretty busy. It's the summertime. They're doing a lot of marketing now. But I've reached out to them numerous times. So this is what I need you guys to do as my fans and my subscribers. I need you guys to put in the comments DKM clutch for JR14. I'm in desperate need of a clutch now, so it's the inevitable. So it was definitely happened, and definitely need you guys to help me out in regards of like saying like, hey, listen, you know what? We're gonna go ahead. I need DKM to see this. They haven't reached out to me, and I reached out to them numerous times. They haven't seen me, so I'm gonna take a different approach to it. The different approach is having you guys write in the comments down below. Write in the comments down below, look, yo, we need a new clutch in this car. Yo, the content for this guy's car is great. I need you guys to help me out. Unlike no other. Like literally, I can't express enough, like literally how much of a bad situation this is. I literally have to pay the money to get the car back to New York City from Cecil County Dragway in Maryland. So that's gonna cost me, I don't even wanna know. I don't even know what it's gonna cost me, but besides the point, this video is just to let you guys know I need your help. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. This channel's not perfect. The car's not perfect. Situations will happen if you put abuse on it. Drag strip is the #1 abuse that you could possibly put on a drivetrain. And that being said, the clutch finally failed. Instagram post as well. Go on there, hashtag DKM clutch, hashtag save the Mark 7, hashtag, we're gonna put a bunch of hashtags in it, but DKM, I need you guys to tag in the comments below in this video, and also in the comments on my Instagram feed. I need you guys to help out by just sending a comment, hashtagging DKM clutch to it, and that will be in the link description below of what the actual tag for their Instagram page is, so they can see this. And literally they can help me out in regards of getting a clutch for this car. So without further ado, guys, and I'm worried because now the car needs to be at Waterfest, and I don't know what to do. I'm honestly really pissed off right now, but I'm ranting. I'm rambling right now. I need to get this car home. So without further ado, guys, I need you guys to help. Let's reach out to DKM Clutches together in a big bulk of a community that we are here in JR14, and let's get this Mark 7 back on the road. But without further ado, guys, I'm trying to keep the smile going. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. It's not all perfect in the car world. Not. Have a great day. I'm gonna try to have a better one. Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Obviously, you just saw that video of what happened with my car, Project Mark 7. You guys have been around for a while watching Project Mark 7 grow and watching the progress build of Project Mark 7, and it's been great so far. Unfortunately, I hit a little bit of a bind. Mod to Fame was drag racing the car. Clutch felt fine, didn't get any weird signs of it slipping or anything like that, and then the inevitable happened. I couldn't get in any gear, and yeah, I actually took it to my guys' shop, Josh and Lexi. They've been fantastic and great, and this is a clip of the actual clutch. So actually, what you can see now with the clutch, you can see that it's completely burnt. The actual place where the material is supposed to be, that's completely gone, and that's completely disintegrated. Like the whole clutch is pretty much shot at this point, and I need a new one. So what I want you guys to do, and this is why I said I need your help, starting July 13th on my Instagram page, it is JR14YT. I'm going to be making daily posts regarding the clutch issue that I'm having, that I'm currently in, the situation that I'm in, and I need you guys to go ahead and tag DKM clutches by just using their, their symbol, the @ symbol DKM clutch. I will put in the description below of what their actual Instagram thing is, so you can actually tag them to it, or even just shoot a comment of, yeah, support the build, yeah, support JR14. And, just give your own opinion as of what it is, because I need to deliver this to DKM to see if I can reach them this way, because I haven't been able to reach them thus far. Maybe this will give them some type of insight, or some type of, maybe this will draw some attention to them to figure out something for the car. I want to be at Waterfest, but the car is inoperable right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to make it to Waterfest this year. I may be able to ride with somebody else, but I wanted the car to be there, and unfortunately, right now, doesn't seem likely. So, I need you guys to help on that. So on Instagram, even on this video as well, shoot the comments down below. I'm going to try to send it out to them to see if they respond. If they don't, then I'll figure out another solution. If they do, then great. But I need you guys' help with that. Also, if you guys want to know more in-depth information in regards of the specifics of what happened to the car, I'm actually going to start a live stream on Monday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So that is, I believe that is the 16th. That is July 16th, 7:30 p.m. I will be making a live stream video feed for everyone, and you guys can ask me any questions in regards of the clutch or anything else. But without further ado, this video is done, and I need you guys to help. Again, my Instagram page is JR14YT. I will be making daily posts in regards of this, so hopefully, you guys can just help by just shooting a comment down below, tagging DKM clutches to it, and then hopefully this fills up their notifications to look at the situation and see if they can help out. Without further ado, guys, hope you guys have a good one. Like, share, subscribe. There will be other content. I have content that I haven't put up yet, so hopefully we can get into that. So, all right. Well, hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care.